All right, so sine of 240 degrees, we're going to use the double angle formula to solve for that. So sine of 240 degrees is, if I'm using the double angle formula to solve for that, then I'm going to try to figure out what 2 times of what angle is equal to 240, or in other words, 2 times 120 degrees is equal to sine of 240 degrees. So 120 degrees is our theta. And we're going to use the double angle formula for sine, which says it's equal to 2 sine of theta times cosine of theta. So theta being 120 degrees, what I do is I substitute in 120 degrees for theta. So part of the confusion between half angle and double angle is figuring out what you plug in on the right hand side. So you'll see a series of true-false questions in your homework assignment as well. So it's kind of backwards here. If I'm using the double angle formula, I should see the doubled part on the left-hand side, so 240 degrees, but on the right-hand side, I'm using half of 240 or 120 to substitute in there. So sine of 120 degrees, 120 degrees is in the second quadrant where sine is positive, and 120 degrees has a reference angle of 60 degrees. So I get radical 3 over 2, and then cosine of 120 degrees is in the second quadrant where cosine is negative, so negative 1/2. That gives us, when I multiply across, 2 radical 3 over 4, or in other words, when you reduce, negative radical 3 over 2.